I'm Barry Morgan, one of the co-founders of InvestmentPitch.com. This second part of our presentation is for investors and contains forward-looking information, so we must caution you that our estimates of future growth may differ from actual results. For a full description of our products and services, please watch the first part of this presentation. We are currently raising $500,000 from the sale of 5 million units at 10 cents prior to applying to list on a stock exchange. This new investment, at the same price the insiders have been paying for the last few years, will give new investors approximately 28% of the company. We anticipate raising net proceeds of $395,000, which we plan to allocate as shown, with $40,000 for listing expenses, $30,000 for new sales consultants, $30,000 for website development, $60,000 for marketing, $75,000 for accounts payable, with the remaining $160,000 for general working capital. Now let's discuss why you would want to invest in InvestmentPitch. Video is one of the fastest growing sectors of the internet. And you may be surprised to know that the gorilla in the room, YouTube, only captures 1/3 of the time viewers spend watching content. Without having spent anything on advertising, we have built a loyal following. Our site receives more than 26,000 hits per day, or close to 10 million hits per year, from a qualified audience of investors. Alexa.com, an internet ranking service owned by Amazon, ranks our site among the top 1/5 of 1% of the most popular sites from the more than 150 million active sites worldwide. We're also fortunate to be an official content provider to media giant Reuters. During the past year, we've continued to develop our unique video news alert product, which is based on research reports and significant news releases. Priced at less than $1,500, this product is proving to be very popular. This product has a high profit margin, making us profitable by producing just one news alert each day. We anticipate producing 3 news alerts per day over the next 12 months, growing to 25 per day in the 5th year, with revenue from this source growing from $1.1 million, or 55% of our revenue in the coming year, to $11.7 million, or 45% by the 5th year. This product will definitely be our largest contributor to the bottom line. It is difficult to determine the size of the market for text-based news releases. However, the market is big enough to support several large but private companies, such as Warren Buffett's Business Wire. We expect that half of these video news alerts will be based on research reports. Again, it is hard to determine how many equity research reports are produced on a daily basis, but Bloomberg reports that an average analyst produces a couple hundred research notes per year. It is also interesting to note that IR Insight estimates the U.S. investor relations market is worth more than $1.6 billion, exclusive of headcount and annual report costs. Therefore, we know we are looking at a very large market. Let's turn our attention to advertising revenue. In addition to placing banner ads in various areas within the website, we have created a unique method of placing a multimedia ad within the video itself, which will be displayed on a secondary screen behind the anchor. We initially planned to charge advertisers only $500 for a placement within our video news alerts. When you consider that each video will be viewed tens of thousands of times during its lifetime, this amounts to only pennies per viewing. As our site attracts investors, which is a highly coveted market segment for potential advertisers, we should attract a higher level of advertiser, such as travel, auto manufacturers, and financial services. We anticipate advertising revenue will grow from $375,000, or 19% of revenues, to $9.4 million, or 36%, over the next 5 years. Capture and presentations provides another source of revenue, and in order to develop this market, InvestmentPitch has developed a close relationship with various conference organizers. Some of the larger investment conferences have several hundred presenters, with several presentations occurring at the same time. By capturing these presentations for later delivery on a video-on-demand basis, each presenter will have a second chance to get in front of a larger audience, and the attendees will be able to view the presentations they missed. In North America alone, there are several conferences every day, with some having as many as 400 individual presentations. We anticipate the revenue from presentations will grow from $350,000, or 18% of the next year, to approximately $3.6 million, or 14%, by the 5th year. We also produce corporate interviews with Ted Ohashi and Jay Taylor, who are both on our board of advisors, and other associates such as David Morgan. We have recently upgraded our equipment, allowing us to capture interviews remotely from conferences and other venues. We anticipate that overall revenue from interviews will grow from $178,000, which would be 8% of revenues next year, to $1.2 million, or 5% of total revenues by the 5th year. We have also developed several other revenue streams, including revenue from hosting and distributing third-party content, and sponsorship advertising related to the production of educational video content. We're also developing several educational lead generation products for financial advisors, and we hope to make some announcements about these products in the near future. We have not included any revenues from these new products in the projections at this time. We have a 4-year history of steadily increasing revenues, and during 2011 we generated revenue from more than 75 different customers, with many testimonials posted on our website. We anticipate earning approximately 5 cents per share over the next 12 months on revenue of $2.1 million. This should increase to 60 cents per share on revenues of $27 million in the 5th year. Our management team has a strong background in video, marketing, and financial services. We anticipate future additions to our team upon completion of this financing. For a copy of our business plan and more details on our projections, please call me at 604-684-5524 or visit our website, www.investmentpitch.com. Thank you for your time today.